Let us start with the basics. Rock strata. Rock strata is the position of rocks, and scientists can use this position to determine how old the rock layers are and how old the objects inside these rocks are. This is called the geologic timescale. Allow me to explain further. Over time, rocks pile on top of each other and eventually form rock layers. Therefore, the rocks on a higher level are younger, while the rocks on a lower level are older. Dead organisms' bones sometimes fossilize and are buried in these rock layers. One can use this information to learn about the periods and when certain organisms existed. Allow me to demonstrate with my friend here, Fazzo. I didn't sign the waivers. I don't care. One may notice that Fazzo's bones are now part of the Earth, and with his fossils' locations, we know he existed during the Cenozoic era and the Quaternary time period. We can also use other fossils to see how creatures evolved into ones like Fazzo. Could you stop using me as an example? No. As you could see, wolves' bones evolved into Fazzo's much weaker structure. Rude. We could prove this further by observing fossils in between these phases. These are called transitional fossils, and all of these fossils make up the fossil record. Which is honestly one of the silliest methods ever because we're limited to the bones that have actually fossilized. Cut! Take 2, let's simplify it this time, alright? And action! Rock strata is the position of rocks and makes up the geologic timescale. Fossils of creatures that previously existed are contained in these rocks and can be used to track the evolution of certain creatures. These fossils make up the fossil record. But remember, this system can be unreliable because it depends on the creatures that have actually fossilized while most haven't. So we could use other methods to track what happened in the past, an example being evidence of mass extinctions. Cut, I just got word that most of our work will be useless. This guy tried helping someone else with their homework, but the other guy just copied his answers, so they were both accused of cheating. I hate all of you.